is a rainy, dreary October day, and these guys, well, they're doing what they always do, but they're doing it really hard today. They have just been lounging about all morning because it is a gloomy day. Yes, it is. Look at his tail wag the second I start to talk to him. Right, Leo? There we go. Chester doesn't even budge. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday morning, and our governor actually declared a state of emergency because of the heavy rain and wind that we're getting. My daughter's college campus closed for the day, yet my two other children are in school right now. But what's really annoying is, if you guys have been following my vlog, you know the past week we've had a lot of work done on our house because we were getting water into the house every time it rained. So a week of work here, thousands of dollars later, and look at this. Do you see this? We are getting a bunch of water from the ceiling up here. It's dripping like from right up there, and it's getting all of my dishes wet. And this was the first thing that we had fixed. So yeah, that's fun. So I need to take all the dishes out and dry that all off. Just one more of the fun things that comes along with living in a very old home. As much as I love it, it's not without its challenges. But anyway, today I have some serious clean. It's just dripping next to me. I can't handle it. It's just dripping. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna need to get on that. But anyway, today on the agenda, I still have some cleanup to do from my book club get together last night. I have so many treats left over. The girls just really didn't eat as much as I thought they would. So I have so many treats and things left over that we're just gonna either have to eat today or tomorrow, or I'm gonna need to throw out, which is really disappointing. But yeah, so I need to clean out the fridge a little bit because it's kind of overloaded with snacks and things now from the Halloween party, and then again from book club last night. And I have a sink full of dishes in front of me right now because by the time book club ended, it was pretty late. I was really tired and I just didn't do the dishes. That's been a common trend for quite a while now. I just don't even care anymore. I just don't even care. Whatever. So I need to tackle that. And then again, I'm still doing my Disney training for the travel agency this week every day at 12 o'clock. So it's 10:30 now. I need to get the housework done so that I can get on that 12 o'clock training session. And what else did I want to tell you guys? Oh, I did the Peloton this morning, yay, because I've really been trying hard to do it. And I mean, at this point, even once or twice a week, I am thrilled with. Just, I want to make sure I'm using the thing because we're paying a monthly subscription for it. So it's unfortunate if no one is using it, right? So I got that done, and that's really about all that I've done so far today. So yeah, I have to clean up this dripping water and get to the dishes. One of my friends brought this last night. How cute is this? They're little Oreo cookies. Not sure what this orange stuff is on top. It might be like a melted orange white chocolate candy, or maybe fondant. I'm not sure. But then the little Hershey Kiss is stuck on top, and they're actually really delicious. Definitely going to be having a couple of those today. I'm just getting ready to get on my training with Disney, and they're calling it Lunch and Learn. And yesterday I didn't have time to prepare lunch before the webinar. So this is my super fun lunch today. Tell me this is not like the best lunch ever. I have some delicious cheese that a friend of mine brought last night. Really, really good, high quality cheeses, and everybody really enjoyed it. And then I have strawberries, crackers, some avocado sliced up, and of course, in the middle, I have a couple of desserts that were left over from last night. So it's kind of like a big snack plate, but I think it'll be an adequate lunch for today. And now I'm going to get on my training call. So it's already 1:30, and I am finally getting to putting away all of the laundry from yesterday because I folded 3 loads. There was just so much clothes that I needed to take care of yesterday because I really didn't do much laundry over the weekend, and if I skip a day or two, it's really bad. So I'm going to take a little bit of time to put that away. Luckily, I got the kitchen under control this morning. That was a big thing, so that feels better. Also threw away a bunch of food, cleaned out the fridge, and it is just still so cold and rainy today. I actually think I'm gonna put on a sweatshirt because I'm freezing. It's just because it's so wet out and cold that just makes it worse. And I feel bad because I haven't been able to walk the dogs today because it's been pouring all day long. So that's kind of sad, but I am going to continue my day just trying to get some things done around the house. Nothing super exciting going on around here, but the training that I did for Disney today was a lot of fun. Today we learned more about the Disney Cruise Line, and the Disney Wish is going to be out at sea soon, so that's exciting. And the Disney cruise ships are just so beautiful and so well done, and it was exciting to learn more about them. But now I'm gonna carry on with my day. Okay, so I'm in our party room because I wanted to show you something really exciting that my husband somehow acquired over the weekend, and I've been wanting to show you. Also, I put on my sweatshirt. Remember this sweatshirt from last year? I think it was from American Eagle. I got it for Christmas and it's so warm and cozy. I wish that I had gone back and bought more because they were on sale incredibly cheap after the holidays, but like I just love these warm and cozy sweatshirts, especially on days like today where it is super cold and rainy out. But let me show you what we now have in our back house detached garage party room. Okay guys, check this out. Circa 1968, it's the Americana 2 jukebox machine, and it is very dusty and old. My husband really does need to clean this up, but there was a local store that was going out of business, and I guess my husband knew the owner or something like that, or a friend of a friend, and we were given this. So it's pretty cool. It has all of these old records, which I think that he's planning on replacing all of these labels because some of them are like peeling off or have actually fallen off. And again, I mean, he definitely needs to give this a good Windex, but it sounds really old-fashioned and it's really, really cool to listen to. Great, a fun addition to any party that we're having back here. Unfortunately, we didn't have it in time for our Halloween party. That would have been a lot of fun. But yeah, I think this is really a great addition to a party room. And also, look at how cute this is. My neighbor friend made this for me and brought it to our party. It says, "Yes, I can drive a stick." And it is really, really cute. This friend of mine actually has an Etsy shop, so I will leave a link below because they really, really make adorable stuff, especially for the holidays and for the Christmas season coming up. So I'll link that below if you guys want to check out some of the things that they sell. And I have been cleaning up back here periodically every day. The nice thing about having this room is it's not as pressing to get the work done because I am not living back here. But it's not too bad. I do still have some garbage and stuff to clean up. I have to strip down that tablecloth and clean it, but we are not in really bad condition, so that's good. All right, back out into the rain because I have to get some more housework done. So again, it's raining and our patio set is getting soaked. It's just so inconvenient to have to like bring it in and out every single day. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have found, I'm looking for like a tarp or something just to throw over it every time it rains, because there is really a better chance of that happening than of me taking time to drag all of these cushions in and out of the house on a daily basis. That's just like not gonna ever happen for me. I'm not quite sure what to do with these guys because they refuse to go out in the rain. Come on, you gotta go outside. You gotta go potty. Ready? Come on. Come on. Okay, go ahead. Go. Go outside. Go ahead, Chester. Go ahead. I think the real problem is they want me to walk them. Come on, Leo, go outside. Leo will not take no for an answer. Come on. I am not walking in the rain, Leo. I'm sorry, I love you, but I'm not gonna do it. Why don't you go outside? Go do potty. Go ahead. Oh boy. So tonight is kind of a busy night. Patrick has a soccer game, which I'm not sure yet if it's going to be canceled or not because they will play in the rain. which is really annoying. But unless it's really, really a torrential downpour or there's thunder and lightning, they will play through it. And also Madison has dance class tonight for 2 hours, so we have a little bit of running around tonight, and I am just going to be making something, do I say this every day? Quick and easy for dinner. I'm not even sure yet. I defrosted some meat, so I'll just throw on chicken with a vegetable or something and make something really quick, because it is going to be one of those nights where we are doing a lot of running around. How cute is this? One of my friends that came last night brought this, and we have candy pumpkins and some autumn mix, and then she also got me this really cute candle. It is pumpkin pecan, and it really actually smells pretty amazing. So I think I will be lighting that up soon and using it through like Thanksgiving and of course for Halloween. So really a nice like sweet pumpkin-y smell, and I'm really excited. I love getting gifts for my friends. It's always so nice. So yesterday I showed you guys my daughter Madison's school photo. Well, the weird thing is, for my son Patrick, they did their photographs like the first day of school. I didn't even know what was happening. I never got an order form. I emailed the company, they didn't reply to me. I called them like 3 times, but every time I did try to call them, the hold was so long that I just could not invest that kind of time into finding out how the heck I could get the pictures of him. So since I just got Madison's picture yesterday, I decided to just invest the time today, make the call, stay on hold as long as it would take, just so I could get his photos. So finally, I was able to order those today. So that's good, because I was feeling really guilty about, especially once I got Madison's picture yesterday, to not have his on the way is kind of sad. So I was able to accomplish that. Took out a decent amount of my time today, but at least I was able to like put away laundry and keep moving along with what I needed to do while I held on the phone, which is pretty typical of what I do every day when I have to call Disney. Sometimes I'm invested for a 2 to 6 hour wait, depending on what's going on. So, you know, that's not new to me, but also I just don't enjoy being on hold that long. It's incredibly frustrating. But anyway, the good news is his pictures are on their way to my house. So yay, I accomplished that. So this is fun. This is how I've been dealing with the leaks. I am just putting a bunch of towels on every single shelf to absorb the water, and that seems to help, and the rain is slowing down, so I could probably remove those pretty soon. So as Vlogtober is rapidly coming to an end, I would love to know from you guys some ideas of videos to make for November and December, because I am really just not really sure what direction I'm going to be going in. It's so easy when I'm doing Vlogtober because it's just basically sharing my days with you, and even though that takes a lot of dedication because it's a constant needing to upload and edit and post and make thumbnails and doing that daily, that part of it is a lot of work. But just taking you guys around with me throughout the day doing whatever it is that I'm doing, no matter how mundane and boring it is, there's really not a lot of, I guess, thought process that has to go into that. I'm not sitting down and researching and really needing to have more, I guess, detailed content that a lot of like thought process goes into. So let me know what you guys are hoping for in the upcoming holiday months. If you're looking for recipes or shopping hauls, gift giving ideas, there's so many things that I could do. I'm just not sure exactly what you guys would like to see. So if you have any ideas or anything specific that you're looking forward to that I've done in the past, please let me know in the comments below. That is always super helpful. It just gives me some direction, which I feel that I need right now. But that is going to be it for today. Like I said, we have a lot of just running around and things to do tonight, and I am really hoping that I can get this video uploaded and all ready to go for you guys for tomorrow morning, so that that's still on track for my last few days, because what do we have, like 3 more days to go when today is over? 3 more days? Is that even possible? This month just went so incredibly fast. I cannot even believe it. But thank you once again for coming along with me today. It's always a lot of fun to share, and I hope you're all doing well. I hope that you're all getting super excited for Halloween and that you are prepared and ready to go with your costumes and your candy and everything else. And if not, you better get on that because it's coming. We're really close now. And that's gonna be it. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in the morning. Good night.